Hi everyone, this is Macy from the ITR tech support team, and today I would like to show you how you can create a blog post here on ITR. So every once in a while you want to update your status with a longer text, or you would like to write an essay on some topic or share a longer story with your friends or with the people on ITR, and therefore you can create a blog post that accepts longer text than the status update. And therefore you click on More and go to Blog Post, create a blog post. Click here. So here you are at the mask, where you can see you can create a blog post here with the text, and you can add a video URL from a YouTube video if you want to add that to your text. And here's the title, and the post privacy, that's an important thing. You can set it to be visible to all in the room's members, so not only your friends but all. Or you can set it to be visible to only your ITR friends. That's important. And here I set a title. Okay, and for the body, I'm going to take a Greeking text, which is this bit here. That's called Greeking. That's a Latin text for any website. When you build a website and you want to fill it up with words that are just generated, they are in Latin. So I post that in here. You see, we have a lot of text here. And then I click on Submit, and I have it on visible to all in the room's members. So this is my blog post. People can comment to that, and now I can go More, Blog Posts, My Blog Posts. Here you see which it is. You can here either edit it or delete the whole thing again. If you have made a mistake or just seen that you made a mistake and you want to start anew, you can delete it or you can edit it. So this concludes the tutorial on how to create a blog post.